Peppers are a group of vegetables that come in a wide range of shapes, colors, and flavors. They are low in calories, high in fiber and water content, and are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Peppers can help with weight loss due to their ability to increase metabolism and reduce appetite. Here is a script that highlights how peppers can aid in weight loss. Script. Host. Welcome to our show where we explore the benefits of peppers for weight loss. Today we have an expert in nutrition, Dr. Smith, who will share with us some amazing facts about peppers and how they can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Dr. Smith, thank you for having me. Peppers are an excellent choice for weight loss due to their low calorie content and high fiber and water content. They can make you feel full quickly and reduce your appetite, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. Host, that's interesting. Can you tell us more about the types of peppers that are best for weight loss? Dr. Smith, sure. Peppers that are high in capsaicin, such as jalapeno, cayenne, and chili peppers, are excellent for weight loss. Capsaicin can boost metabolism, reduce appetite, and increase fat burning. Bell peppers, on the other hand, are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. Host, how can we incorporate peppers into our diet? Dr. Smith, peppers can be added to a variety of dishes, including salads, stir-fries, soups, and stews. You can also eat them raw as a snack or add them to your morning omelette. Another way to enjoy the benefits of peppers is to include them in smoothies. A smoothie made with cayenne pepper, lemon, and honey can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Host, are there any precautions we should take when consuming peppers? Dr. Smith, peppers can cause heartburn and digestive discomfort in some people, so it's important to start with a small amount and gradually increase the quantity. Also, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after handling peppers to avoid any irritation to the skin or eyes. Host, thank you, Dr. Smith, for sharing with us the benefits of peppers for weight loss. It was great having you on our show. Conclusion. Peppers are a great addition to any weight loss plan. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and can increase metabolism and reduce appetite. Whether you like them hot or sweet, peppers can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways. So, add some peppers to your meals and see the difference they can make in your weight loss journey.